So, Merry Christmas!
Hello from Disney Springs.
Yes, we're finally over here once again to see the Christmas trail, to maybe get something to eat because we haven't eaten yet. There's a new cookie place, so we gotta go check that out. It's not Gideon's, but some people are saying it tastes just as good. What else?
And shop.
Yeah. Man.
If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome. We are walking as we're doing this, so we might be out of breath.
Maybe, yeah. We're on our way to the escalators to go up so we can go through and all that fun stuff. But guys, thanks for stopping by.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget the bell notification, like, all that fun jazz. And enjoy this video.
Let's go.
Snowing in the middle of Florida.
It's snow.
No, it's snow.
No, it's snow.
It's all in your hair.
I know.
Oh, it's kind of cool, right? It's a big old tree, snow. It's like you're in New York, right? Oh, it's my eye.
That's why you have to like.
I know. Sunglasses, but no, it's really fun. So we've had Blaze Pizza over in California, but everyone raves about how good one in Disney Springs is, so we'll find out. So we got one pizza and one cheesy bread, and it is super swamped. We're sharing tables with everybody, so it's crazy. So we just got our pizza, and it looks good. We're eating on our cheesy bread too. Amber, bon appetit. So what's your verdict? Better or worse or the same? Same? Yeah. So, I mean, for as busy as it is, it actually wasn't horrible. And all for 25 bucks? 26? It's not horrible either. I mean, yeah, we got AP discount, and we would actually spend more at Domino's than we did here. And I'm kind of stuffed. Are you stuffed? Oh, cool. They have a Simba. I'm sure Arthur just made Christmas cookies. Yeah, it's not as flimsy as you think it would be. $25 for that? Now, remember, if you guys ever come here, they have this store all year round. And then you got some like dessert plates and stuff like that. has these. It has Dumbo. It has Simba. It has Minnie and Mickey. They have a place for all your cookies that you make. A cookie jar that is a snowman. I don't know why that took forever to get out. Those are cool. So our nativity scene that we got from Albuquerque, it has like these like little figures. They look pretty cool. And they already had the 2024 merch out. That one lights up. I light up. Oh, so if you come here, you can put your photos. That's cool. Oh, that's cool. They have all the charms and stuff.
They do like the bracelets that they trade.
Yeah.
Like it started with Taylor Swift.
That's
They
cool.
started doing that $25.
$25 for that? It's not horrible. Amber found an ornament. It looks expensive, but it looks really cool too. Ooh. Is it open? Oh. It's an engagement for all you people that want to get married this year. Hurry.
Or get engaged this year.
Yeah. Hurry, come here. And they have the Hanukkah collections right here. Whoa. Holy cow. That looks really nice. Never found it looks like an Advent thing, but it's a block calendar. Huh. You hear the sound, but look, it plays. That's cool. Oh, it's Jiminy. Guys, we haven't hit the button and it's still going. And it's talking about all the different worlds at Disneyland. That's cool. We're a little late. They had a chocolate chip cookie. They have a peanut butter. They have a birthday cookie with sprinkles. They have a couple blondies with Rice Krispie treats. And they have some like coffee, and they have like cocktails and stuff like that too.